see the damage when I look around, but I'm still here breathing, so I'm here for now. If I could step outside my head and tell myself what I know now, find something you believe in, find someone who will leave when everything you build starts breaking down. Find a place you can return to, find a truth you can hold on to when the lights go out and you're lost somehow. It's love, 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 love. When everything's falling in and out, it's love, 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 love that pulls you back somehow. I gave all my time to the wrong mistakes, tried to outrun fear but it always stayed. Every open road still feels the same, but I'm learning now it's okay to change. If I could rewind the nights, I'd tell myself I'll be alright. Find something you believe in, find someone who will leave when everything you build starts breaking down. Find a place you can return to, find a truth you can hold on to when the lights go out and you're lost somehow. It's love, 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 love. When everything's falling in and out, it's love, 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 love that pulls you back somehow. When you're barely holding on,
Hello guys, how's it going? Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Hope it hits TP for you, bro. Are you long or short? Oh, long. Okay, on gold. Yeah, nice. Hope it plays out for you, bro. There's a great low resistance liquidity to run on gold here. Trend line, liquidity, and I think we have silver SMT. It's a very good signature here to run higher. Hope it plays out for you, bro. Thank you, bro. How you doing, Sharky? How's it going, bro? Estates and education. Yeah. How's it going, Sharky? Look at this 15-minute here. Amazing to hear, bro. You did it. Amazing to hear, Sharky. Look at this, man. Oh my god. Bro, you know Sharky, speaking about news, yesterday I was in that short trade here. It was a micro P3 short. My TP was 1 to 2, and at 1 to 1 I wanted to take a partial at this low. But what happened is Iran news came in, and this literally didn't tag my TP level somehow on MNQ, and it didn't keep going. It just reversed me. It was Iran news as well. I keep getting hit by this, man. Every time I'm in a trade, they speak. It's weird, bro. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, it was crazy, bro. Devil's mark taken. We're seeing a potential reversal. Guys, I want to see opening range low taken here. They must take opening range low. It's not even like 50-50 for me. I think they must take opening range low. Where's my analysis? I think I deleted my own analysis somehow. Okay. Close. So this is RTH gap. We're falling off the upper quadrant. We're falling off Endog. So what I really want to see is pre-macro. We wanted to see a pullback here to this low. But this macro I'm bullish, so I want to play that this low would be protected. So we just gotta go and confirm this SMT once more. Make sure I wasn't. There's no SMT there. This SMT is invalid in fact. Just kind of. But it's a very tiny SMT there. Not big of a deal. But with this hourly closure, because you can see hourly here rejected from the lower BISI and failed to close inside. Where did it close? It closed at the upper one. That is showing you strengths. The market wants to go higher. So with reading that, I want to see this hourly candle continue higher into these highs here. So if you want to see hourly continue higher, first want to see manipulation lower and then a continuation higher. That would make sense with the dealing range, which we have here, I believe. We have an SMT, I believe. Do we? We do, right? Yeah. SMT at dealing range low. And you got this dealing range. So if I wanna buy, I wanna see macro open low. I wanna see 3-minute BISI hold here. I wanna see us getting discount. Reclaim 930, push higher to devil's mark and these highs. That's what I'll be looking for, guys. Let's see. What's the plan, Sharky? What are you looking for, man? Range. Yeah, triple per section, man. Really hate it. But it's very obvious that it's going hard, you know. Just could have find the setup, man. Okay, thank you. Uh, this tab discount, I see why it's moving up now. Whatever. I'm gonna be waiting here for a retracement. Chance for a short. Nice one, Newman. 8 a.m. high. Let's look at that. This higher. Yeah, I think we're falling short of quadrant as well, or 50% of this wick. Tap 50%, maybe see a sell opportunity. Let's keep 50% on here. But I'm not trying to sell right now, especially just because no one like. If you look here, we had this hourly consecutive basis, this one and this one. What ended up happening? Its price went all the way lower, rejected from the BISI, and where did it close? It closed above the higher one, which means we're bullish. Like it's very obvious today. So that's why I wanted to get in longs. If we get a chance to. Same scenario in the 15-minute. You can see we're rejecting from the discount BISI. But where are we closing above? We're closing above the upper one, the premium one. So that's showing you very strong strengths, you know. So if you want to go against that, it's very risky at all-time highs. So I would advise you to be careful. But it's a very solid idea as well. At this hourly wick, we'll be watching. Okay. I remember ICT spoke about this polo array. If this candle would have taken this high, then that would have been the polo array, right? I need to get the slides at the 45-degree angle because it's kind of at my house right now. After this stream, I'll do it next stream. Let's get the watermark on. We're almost ending the months here. Will we get new trading days? Let's check it out. So, what about next week? Okay, so next week, let's put in some filters, man. It's all USD. Okay, let's remove yellow filters. Okay, great. So next week we'll be trading 28th of April. So there's no NFP, surprisingly, this Friday, not even on Thursday. So NFP will be the week afterwards, I believe. Yeah. But why isn't it on May 1? Okay. But we got April 28th, Monday, no news. Can trade 950 there. There we can also trade 950. 950. Only Thursday I'll be trading 850. We'll be trading early on Thursday. Okay, it's interesting. We're pushing hard. Nice, thank you. Okay, I just finished my coffee. Guys, I'll be back. I'll bring some water, okay? I forgot to fill up my water bottle. We're racing to this devil's mark now. I really wanted to take a trade into this devil's mark. Man, oh man. Okay. This was a spooling macro play, and I'm not gonna play spooling macros. How was it a spooling macro play? You got this dealing range. Pre-macro, you went in discount, tapped the first presentation, while hourly closed bullish, previous hourly. Everything is bullish. You're respecting discount here. Body's closing above. Macro opens. You get CISD. Enter on the closure above. That's it. That's a spooling macro basic. You don't require manipulation during the macro. You'll see the macro spool right into your target. So it's possible. You can read it. Is it tradable? Yes, it is, but sometimes it's 50-50, so I would rather wait than be on the risky side, you know. It's all good. I'm still looking for buys. I'm still very bullish, guys. 3-minute strong closure here as well. Really like that. Let's wait and see if we get any trades. None of these lows can be used as dealing range low. Why is that? Okay, just take the devil's mark. Because this low, okay, for a dealing range low to be used, you either need one of two things. So, dealing range anchor points is either slash a low or a high that swept liquidity, or the second one is a low or a high that tapped into an inefficiency. Hope I read that correctly. So in order for this to be a dealing range anchor point, this has to tap into this BISI, or yeah, SMT, correct as well, Sharky. I didn't write this one down. Or an SMT. Or it has to sweep liquidity. So for this low, why I'm using this dealing range low? Because this low swept liquidity. So if I'm gonna refine my dealing range now, and I wanna look for smaller ones inside this big dealing range, where are we gonna look? This low. Okay, this low tapped into an efficiency, it's valid. This low didn't tap into an efficiency or sweep a liquidity, so it's not valid. Same thing here, didn't do any of those, it's not valid. Same thing here, and then you're pretty high here. So if you want to refine this dealing range, this will be your next low. That's how I came up with this dealing range, and I told you this came to discount, pushed higher. So that's what I do when I'm, because I see like a lot of people are confused when I'm like drawing out my dealing ranges. Most of the time I don't have them all on my chart, like all of the possible dealing ranges on my chart. Here there's only 2, but sometimes there's like 3 in one leg. I just use the one that the price is referring to. So for example, here you can see that price was referring to this dealing range with body closures. When the body closures are closing outside EQ, that's telling me that's the strongest signature for me that we're using this dealing range, and we're gonna go higher, especially at a key level like the first presentation gap. But here you're also very short of this EQ, so you could be so it's wise, and like it's wise to be waiting for the other dealing range, the bigger dealing range here. That's what I do normally. I just look at the bodies, where they're closing, which dealing range they're respecting, and I use that as my discount premium dealing range. This is how I mostly get like the most precise dealing ranges. For example, here's the dealing range I got from the morning, is with the low of day we made overnight. Why did I use this low, not this low, for example, that swept London low? Because this is lower and we already tapped EQ. So this is the lowest dealing range you can get. and we're respecting it. So yeah, how are we respecting it? Look at the 15-minute. Where are the bodies closing on this dealing range? Right above EQ. Look at this, guys. That's EQ, right? This EQ. Where are we closing? Closing right above it. Where is this dealing range low? Right here. This dealing range low swept liquidity and tapped into an inefficiency, which was end dog here, I believe. That pushed us higher, came to discount, push higher again. If you align this dealing range now with PD arrays, like this hourly busy closures, closing up like how we explained it, we're closing inside the first one and rejecting from the discount one. That's showing a very strong market. Okay, now we're aligning order flow with PD, like order flow using PD arrays with dealing ranges. So we're coming from discount, aligning order flow. Now we are getting a very strong bullish read. It's all down to lower time frames to actually determine if that's valid or not. So that's how I just go through my analysis, basically. Well, that's what goes through my head while I'm breaking it down. That's why I keep just switching on these time frames, because I'm trying to get the best read on order flow. So for example, if I'm trying to long here and we get a 5-minute inversion bearish, like if we inverse like a 5-minute discount gap, like for example this gap here, okay, see this gap here, just consecutive gaps. Let me do it better. This gap here. So if I was trying to long here and then this 5-minute candle decides to close here, I will not take this long. Why is that? Because the order flow is showing me that we are closing below bases, discount bases, which should be used as support if you are bullish. Like they are in discounted dealing range, they should be used as support. You shouldn't inverse them. If you inverse them, you have a very high chance of losing that trade if you're trying long. That's how I use these lower time frames while trading as well. Okay, we got relative equal highs now at the dealing range high. I really like that. We're almost out of our macro time. Okay, I'm pushing hard to go with these relative equal highs. Now I'm finally taking it all. ICT isn't complicated at all, guys. And trading isn't complicated. Analysis is easy. You just gotta be clear about what you're looking for. Like literally, guys, I want to show you my desk, but I have like sticky notes everywhere. On this screen and this screen, I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sticky notes. Like, I'm just writing everything down and I'm checking them before the trade. I'm literally doing that every day. Like, just do what it takes to be a winner, man. Like, I'm a guy with very bad memory, I'll be honest with you. And sometimes I will forget something or I'll make a mistake. So what I made sure is I don't repeat these mistakes. How can I do that when I have a short memory? What I do is basically I have everything on sticky notes. Before taking a trade, I have a rule that I must check my checklist. For example, if I see a trade right now and I wasn't preparing for it, it was not prepared, like it wasn't planned ahead, I will not take this trade. I only take trades that I planned ahead because I would have checked my sticky notes and I made sure that this trade is following my process, so I'm taking this trade. I don't take any trades based on impulse. Never. Like, you'll never see me hop on a trade just because it's forming it now and we didn't even realize it like 10 minutes ago. All of my trades, you'll see me planning them pre-macro. You see all of my trades planned pre-macro. Maybe sometimes we get a trade like planned 5 minutes before it ahead. That's like the maximum I can get. Other than that, you will never see me just in a random trade just because, oh, price is moving now. There's volume coming in. No, I don't really care. If it's not planned, I don't trade it. I let it go, man. For example, this pulling macro here, I saw this trade playing out. I saw this order block right here. You saw me draw this here, and I was like, okay, this could be an order block, and this could be a pulling macro, and it could continue hard. Actually, like, I realized it when we were at the macro open here. I was like, okay, this could be a pulling macro, but I didn't take it. Why? Because this was an impulsive trade there. I didn't want to miss out. I was telling myself, I'm sorry guys, I didn't want to miss out, and what was going through my head is like, oh, I could take this pulling macro so I don't miss out on these longs. It's so clear. Why should I miss out? So I literally just shut down my thoughts, and I paid attention to the process, and instead of the outcome, instead of the FOMO. I don't let FOMO take control ever. So you only place the trade within macro 1050. Yeah, I take trades within 1050 to 1120. That's what I trade. This is the time window I trade. Like anything bad. So let's just call it XX to XX. That's my macro time window. And for the last macro of the day, I do 1515 to 1545. These are the only macros I trade. This is the only time you'll see me placing a trade. I don't stop at 15, I stop at 20. Personally. Man, this run has been so deadly. No retracements. It'd be nice if we get a retracement here. Next macro. Make a run to all-time highs once more. 5 day. 636. 363. Guys, it should be detached from the charts. So, for example, if this is not part of your plan, just let it go, man. Don't force a trade here. Just let it go. Trying to catch every move isn't the best move. It will never be the best move, guys. I'll not be proud if I see someone in every move. Like, I used to be this guy. I'm talking about myself. I wanted to be in every move. I wanted to be shorting this high, longing this low, shorting this high and longing this low. Like, I used to, and I had days I was able to do that. I had days I shorted the high of the week, the low of the week, both the low of the week. I did all of that, guys, and it's not worth it. It was never worth it. I have videos on my channel, like short videos of that as well, but I deleted the rest because it's not right. I don't believe that's the way that everyone should be trading. Just trying to long the low of the week, the high of the week, every day. It's really literally crazy. I can even show you like this video here. Give me a second. Look at this video, guys. I shorted all-time highs here. Okay, that's stuck. Wait a second. Wait a second. So I shorted all-time highs here. This video was insane. It was on a live account as well. But I didn't try to do this stuff anymore, man. I think this was the beginning of Trump when he came in administration or something. This was also using macro PS3. And I also bought the low of the week on... Yeah, this was shorting the high of the week as well. And this video as well. Bought the low of day here. So I was this guy, man. Being honest with you guys. I was trying to be in every single move. You'll find me in every move. Like, I'll be longing the low of day. I'll be shorting the high of day. And it's not sustainable, guys. You should be detached from charts and try to only catch one move and call it a day. Just stack wins. Okay, and I need to get TradingView Premium again. These ads are killing me. Like, just being a machine gun isn't very nice. Being a sniper is much, much better. Waiting for your setup, waiting for everything to align, and taking your setup and then going home. That's all you want, man. We're above ATM here, no man, by the way, and we're rejecting from the hourly. Wake CE, we outlined together here. This could be your shorting opportunity that you spoke about. Let's see. There's an SMT UDS currently with the 8 AM high. I want to see if this will hold. But personally, I'm still bullish. I'm not shifting my bias. I'm still looking for longs. Next macro. I'm done here with this macro. Let's get chess game, man. I don't want to do something crazier. Should we try a 1 minute chess game? 3 minute? No, let's try a 1 minute. Let's see how it feels. Bullet game, okay. Start game. Did we start? Okay. Okay, we're starting. Okay, these guys are already wasting time. That was a crazy game. It's not the best. Okay, let's go on a 3-minute game. All minute games are crazy. It's not. Let's go a 5-minute game. That's what we did. Anybody wants to play, guys? Chess? I'm not the best at this game. I just play it to waste time. Try to also improve the way I think. Anybody knows how I can turn on pre-moves here? Where can I go? Thank you's doing nothing at all, man. That was a mistake. That was the worst one of them. Yeah, all good. If you want to play chess, no one, waiting for a trade, let me know. But if you're actively trading, don't play chess. I'm just wasting time here because I don't trade at this time, as I told you. I only trade at the macros, so I don't want to be messing with the charts. That's why I'm only playing chess. How can we get ace queen here? Well, if I move my horse here. Let's drag him on. I want to do. Okay. Wait a second, wait a second, wait a second. Can fork his pieces here. Go here, here. Okay. Move. Nice. This was a suicidal. I don't want to pin my queen to it. So what we are gonna do is, oh no, I'm not pinning my queen. Okay. Take this. Or I can go back here. I'll just rook. I think we're gonna be gone in a second here. Oh, that was very stupid. Okay, I take that back. We're not gonna do anything this game. Oh man, that tells you, like, that tells you how smart I am from this game. Bro, I made like the worst moves. I think like we'll have like 10 blunders on the game stats once we're done. Used to play chess a long time ago. Yeah, chess is fun, man. I really like this game. I wish I could be a good player at it, so I'm not the best, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, this is. Okay, we should move the rook. Okay, now it's asking for my rook either way, so. Well, if I sacrifice this rook, I'll also take this. Bro. Have to go here. We still have a chance to win, but it's very slim now. With all of the mistakes I made. Wait, sorry. If we go here. And here. Here. Okay, it doesn't check. I'm gonna leave my rook. This king won't be able to eat, but I can eat with this. Yeah. If he eats, I eat. Whoa. I would have never thought that I would give his queen this easy, man. Okay, that's crazy. Now he eats, I eat. He can't, so he'll try to go for this one. That's better. Yeah. Now I need to play. I'm in the offense here, so should start rolling now. I want to pin this, but push his pawn. I can eat it. Yeah, I can pin this knight here to this rook. If he pushes his pawn, if he pushes his pawn, I can take his knight. Then we can. Where's the music, man? Okay, Windows. It's messed up. Let me turn on Windows security because, man, if you remember, guys, I got tagged by a virus recently. This has been a tough period for me. I stayed up like I don't remember, like 2 days trying to fix up my PC. Not giving me a chance here. Yeah. It's all good. Let's go. I did a lot of mistakes there. Let's watch out this time. Like literally he can't attack it. I'm thinking it was my knight. I'm gonna push this knight here. Okay. Here. 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 I wanna castle as well, get this rook in play. I was asking for this horse because he wants to take this bishop. Can castle. I'm protecting this horse. Wait a second, I can win this game. This. Check. Move here. Let's just follow the plan we planned. I was like, if he's gonna move his queen, I'm gonna start this attack. Okay. I will not sacrifice my rook here. Just ask for that. There we go. This was a surprise attack here. Clean that. Yeah, there you go. So basically he didn't notice that when I castled, I kept this as a surprise attack at the end here. Because he was brushing this horse. He wanted to take this horse so bad. He thought I made a miss move here when I castled, but the idea behind this castle was like I wanted to add an extra protection for my horse because I knew that it was pressuring him because I was gonna win the game here. Basically, I can move my queen here, check him. Okay, challenging me. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. Friend request. I think he will ask for a rematch or something. I'm down. Shoot on. Okay, failed. I like this. Okay. I wanna get this knight to move and then I can take his queen. How can I convince him to do so? Let's try something here. Try moving that. You try that. I'll try this. And then I can get maybe his knight to move. Oh, but then I'll lose my queen as well. Okay. Can't pressure that. Check. Yeah, I can check, but I can't checkmate him. Man, he took my rook. Okay. Okay, that was easy. We checkmate him here. Check, yeah. Yes, I know I made a mistake. However, let's play a 1 minute game before this macro begins, man. Then we're gonna wait. I can start a 1 minute game, new game. This was fun. Just play quick. I'll do the same tactic, man. Yeah, let him take it, bro. Oh, that was the most stupid move I did so far. Otherwise, it's a 1 minute game. That's what I can expect. Now his horse is trapped. What? Okay. This 1 minute game is fun. Okay, she's going hard, man. Let's do a quick reevaluation here. Everything is clean to the upside. Got this open anyway still. Got 15-minute busy out of 15-minute busy. This long here will be insane from this 15-minute busy up to all-time highs. This busier, man. This inversion. Okay. 1 hour still bullish. 15-minute we got a busy here as well. 1 minute we want to see this macro open lower. Give us discount and then we can long. This will be an A+ trade. Let's wait for that. Let's drink some water, man. Man, bro, what news is it this time? I'm tired of that. Oh, bro. Whatever you want to do, man. We wanted to take this long up to injured buy side here, but not lucky enough to get it. It's all good. Bro, I'm head to the toilet real quick. This is annoying, man. Okay. It's really annoying. It's all good. Be back. Man, I'm tired of these markets, bro. I said it's going on. How could we do that? Okay, we're gonna wait now. This was on point. Just couldn't get it. So nothing to do about it, man. Now to see the market come lower, clean these lows. Gold has a gap. Gap up. It's crazy. I know there's a low resistance squid around there, but that's crazy. Gold is cooking, guys. Discount here. I think this is pulling macro. Gold will go higher. It's cooking as always. Bro, we're just gonna push higher. Looks like no trade, guys. Whoa. Just gonna wait patiently, okay? Maybe they leave relative equal highs and then we come back later for them. We're detached with these trades. We're not gonna force any trade just because we want to take a trade. Just being patient here, man. Amazing tier, Sharky. Let's go, man. Let's go, bro. Amazing long on ES, bro. Well done. So happy that this trade hit for you. Well done, bro. Let's go, man. Okay, hit TP. Wish I had a streamer deck here. I would be blowing it up, man. We will get one. Is a streaming noise? Talk, you know? That was very nice, man. Well done. Bro, news have went in our direction sometimes, but now it has been like for 2 weeks. News has just been going against me somehow. And there's news every single day I trade. Somehow I'm in the news candle. But I'm very grateful that it hit TP for you, man, today. I know you really needed that as well. It's been just crazy. It's low here. Okay, it's that. Gold. A run higher on gold would be crazy. Can see it already. Gold is gonna push crazy hard. NQ, leave this height, please. Please, NQ. Please. If NQ leaves this height, we can then look for a short here. Long, sorry. Market manipulates lower below macro opening price. And below macro opening price, you get liquidity sweep, S&T. You can buy beautiful macro. No, I don't anymore. I just watch it now. I just watch gold for Tamo, you know. Juana trades gold, so I just watch gold for him. I tell him my intraday buys every day, and today I told him I'm long on gold. Like I'll be long in gold to this trendline liquidity. Same thing on the 1 minute. I'll be long in gold, but I'm not very confident in my analysis there. Just because I don't trade it. There's no money behind it, so maybe I'll be throwing out like very quick analysis, not putting in a lot of pressure. But with NQ, I'm fully focused on that, and I love to focus on one thing, not on multiple different stuff. That's why I also don't trade ES for the same reason, because I only analyze NQ. I want to be strong with one asset. I don't want to be just everywhere, you know. I know people are strong everywhere, but not me, man. I know my strengths and my weaknesses. How's gold doing? Let's take a look at YM, the bad boy. Oh my god, look at this crazy consolidation YM since 9:30. Bro, YM has been crazy. YM is going hard, man. YM is going higher up into this highs here. Whoa. It's a big rate long on YM. Playing 6 sister on YM. But look at this range so far on YM. Oh, that's crazy. 5-minute inversion here. This would send you hard. Yo, Tamo, no trades, bro. We're in no trades. NQ is pumping, but still waiting for retracement, and then we can buy. No trades for me yet, Tamo. Yeah, just waiting. Thank you, bro. Just waiting, man. That's what we... Oh, wait, the background light is turned off. That's why. I was like, what's wrong with my lightning? Give me a second, guys. Yeah, hopefully he leaves this height, man. I love the reason I took a swing today because I can't watch it. That's amazing, Tom. Yeah, well done. Guys, we'll create a Discord next month. As I explained, it will just be for the community. I'll work on that. Free Discord. Nothing to pay, nothing to do, like just for us to catch up with each other, share our thoughts with each other. That would be nice. I love this community here, man. Shark, you know, man, Macro, Brian, Tamil, everybody that shows the streams. It's amazing. We can build this community together and push each other forward. You only win in life when you have people behind you that support you. It's the same worldview, like, you know, same thing they're trying to attack. And when there's enough of you, you can actually break that. So you can help each other. It would be amazing. Also, trading is a very lonely game, man. Bro, these lows. Look at that. Just trying to draw this trend line. It's wasting time. 12 open here, guys. I hope it opens low. Once it opens low, we can utilize a wick. Hourly wick here. Let's put this 75% on it. Where's it? I want to see this hourly open low. Yeah, we can. Let's look for their fine dealing range now, which was this one. I don't think micro trader is here, Sharky. I think he is just away from the stream. Man, ICT's videos has been crazy. Yeah, all good, bro. Where was you, man? There's a weird pain that just came in here. We're waiting. This dump, then we can buy. Or this dump, and then we can buy. So it's one of them. We're gonna be targeting aim high here, which is, so I have this dealing range. I'm just gonna wait here patiently. No trade, man. Market is going lower, guys. Mm. Let's check ES here. ES also short of the highs. We have a potential long setup. I want to see this discount get tagged or upper discount. Let's start naming them now. And this is our okay. Let's see. Calculator ready. Drop my pen. It's all good. Just want to get my calculator ready here. I believe we're about to get set up. $12 open low. I want to see this hourly wick upper quadrant hold along with the EQ and this discount 1 minute basic. This will give us a very nice long opportunity once we drop from this SIPI and then get an inversion here, get this as a break-even level, and then hold for these highs up here. That is my plan. And then we will have a super clear draw. We'll have order flow supporting here on the 15 minute, 5 minute, every single time frame is bullish. You'll have dealing range and yeah, micro P3 signatures as well. So that's my setup right there. We'll wait if it presents itself for us. Yeah, oh my, no, get set up now. It could run from here, but personally, I'm not like being detached here from forcing a trade. You could call that a discount dealing range as well. But I will not force a trade here. Be detached completely from the market. It's okay. No, wait. I want to see this market continue lower. Then we create this inversion and go higher. Yeah, huge moves and chop, huge moves and chop. Correct, Chorky. Has been an insane week. One of the hardest weeks to trade. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I got chopped that one day. And second day I got stopped by news like yesterday. So, man, it's all good. No, I wish I could buy it. It's actually my dream to buy one. Really? Whoa, that's amazing. Why you had a Jaxer? Why did you sell it? Surprised you said that. Man, I wish I could buy a motorcycle. I really want to get an R1 or a Jaxer soon. I don't know what you call it. SXR. Just call it Jaxer. I want to buy one. Even a Honda 600 would be nice. Or 1000 or double R. Be amazing. Still want to buy one. Yeah, man. I'm gonna be doing motor vlogs once I get one, bro. Like on this channel as well. I don't care. I'm gonna be doing trading motor vlogs. We'll be trading while we're riding the motorcycle. aim session on the aim session on the road. Suzuki Gixxer 750. Amazing, man. So why would you sell it? What year was it as well? Oh, 215? Yeah, I'm sorry, you said 2015. I mean, that was a very nice bike, bro. Very nice. Okay, we're coming back to this engineered cell side here. Yeah, inshallah, bro. You know, like, once I hit my first big payout, I'm gonna buy it. Like, literally just as soon as I hit my payout, I'm gonna buy this bike, man. Has been my dream since I was a kid. And yeah, that's why I have this in the background. Okay, this Steam. Okay, okay, that's my Steam. But that's why I have this in the background. It's a Yamaha here, R6, I believe, but I couldn't find a better, like, better one in wallpaper engine, so I just put this Yamaha one. There was a Ducati wallpaper as well. Didn't really like it. Let's close Steam, man. Yeah, R6 is brilliant, bro. I love it. I want to get an R6 as well. 1 second. Here, bro. Yeah, R6 is crazy. I love it as well. It's much better than the 600 double R. Like, initially that was my, and it still is my dream bike. I'll show you. Like this bike here. I love it. The black one as well. I really love this bike, but right now in my country, all of these ones are just broken, most likely, you know. So I'm looking to get like a nice bike, a better one. I wanted to get a bike with APS as well, and 2007 bike doesn't have APS on it or traction or anything, so zero safety. So it wasn't beginner friendly. And once I get this money, we'll be talking about it. I will message you about it, man. I'll take your opinion. Yeah, candy apple red. That's amazing, bro. That's sick. Yeah, candy apple red is amazing. I love red bikes. So your brother got a taste, man. My brother likes like Harley Davidson bikes more. He doesn't like race bikes, sport bikes. He only likes cruisers. He wants to buy one as well. Every time we talk about bikes, he's like, man, why are you always thinking about sport bikes? You know, just buy a cruiser. He's a big fan of Sons of Anarchy as well. Maybe that's why. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna let it be here. There's nothing to do. Literally, like macro. This is not the trade we're taking because we're short of EQ here. And we're going outside of the macro here in 1 minute. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go to the toilet and we are gonna wait 1250 macro. Right here we can get this set up. But now don't force a trade, please. Please, 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 guys. Don't force a trade. The market will always be here. Don't force an unnecessary trade. The market is always gonna be here. I'll be back. Just give me a minute, guys. Where's my game? Where did my game go? You made a mistake here, bud. Messing with the wrong guy. Okay, can you disappear? Appropriation. Oh, shit.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Every day I feel time slipping, passing, skipping by. All the words I could say just can't really seem to stay. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Every time I divide all the fractions of my mind, take away all the pain, give myself another day. Give myself another day. Every day I decide if we'll ever see the sign. I ignored all the lines showing me eternal light. Showing me eternal I don't wanna just get by in life before we die.
Look at this hidden tactic. I'll go here. I'll eat with my rook and he will eat with his queen. Then I'll eat.
Time, no chances to revive.
No, he would think. Okay, now he's thinking that I didn't go there. It's a blunder. But what I'm gonna do will surprise him. So he'll just eat with his queen now. Just eat with your queen. Don't worry, bro. And I got you. If he decides not to eat with the queen, I'll take his rook and we can go rook for rook there. I'm up material, so I can do that. Okay. Well, he did a very bad decision pushing that pawn. Because he's protecting it so he can eat with the queen. What I'm gonna do instead is... Wait a second. I think we got a very nice option here. Man, that was a bad move for me. Okay. I think we're getting lost here. Okay, yeah. Macros in 9 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I lost this game. Okay, it's okay. Yeah, giving him a check here. We'll still fight till this. Get this. This game. No, 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 no. Oh my god. How can I afford this game? Okay. Just gonna wait, guys. No trades yet, bro. Still waiting. Still waiting for macro PS3, man. Take these lows and then push higher. Yeah, still waiting, bro. Thank you, brother. Okay, amazing, bro. Get a good meal in, bro. Jim loves protein. Inshallah, bro. Inshallah, it'll be a great day. Very positive about today. It's a great day coming up. Made a smoothie. Amazing, bro. Amazing. Kill it, bro. I'm getting hungry as well, man. Don't get my stomach running. I wanna go make some food. Haven't made food yet, so. Didn't eat any meals yet. I resumed for breakfast, so I wanna end this stream quick, as soon as possible, to get a meal in. Then head to the gym as well. Go for it, bro. Go eat right now. Don't trade while you're starving, man. I think you're in a swing trade as well, so you can leave it running and just go eat. Okay, thank you, brother. Want to see this macro open lower here, guys. Open low, take out this low. Yeah, but I still need to make some food because there's no food at all. I didn't make food pre-market. I want to see these lows get taken, then push hard, because these lows are above EQ. So what we want to see is these lows get taken and then push hard. We'll be going for the same thing. We got this DR high, DR high, and we got Devil's Mark. Okay, let's wait, man. Just waiting, boys.
It's easy to set a young heart on the run, to see it crashing out the sky, falling one by one.
Yo, welcome Sharky. I'm still waiting, bro. I'm waiting for manipulation pro macro opening price here. Below macro opening price. And then we can long. Still waiting, bro. I'm watching this bike videos. It's a new bike. Hope it's visible, bro. Oh, this blue, bro. Wait. It's a new bike they're introducing to the market in Egypt. It's Chinese made. It hasn't been used on tracks, but it has APS and it has traction, and it's the same price as an old Honda, so I think it's very nice as a starting bike. It's 700, 750 or 710 cc. But it hasn't been used on tracks, so it's just risky, you know? Like, not like Yamaha and Honda, Jexters, all of them. Okay, guys, gonna have this third leg up now. 1, 2, 3, and then potentially we can see a roll over here. I might be trading the sell here down to these lows. If we keep going higher. That's what I'm looking for, guys. It's either 1, 2, and 3 here. That gives you this short, or it's either a pullback and discount here. You get this inversion, you buy, set break even here, you hold till this highs and this highs. That's what we're looking for.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through?
Let's see. And this macro is annoying. Can we just drop down? Oh. Got relative equalize now. This macro is annoying.
Gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
This is the last macro of streaming, guys, because it's just very slow today. We got 10 minutes left in it.
trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
This is just boring, guys. Nothing to do.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go,
this macro.
The horizon pulls me closer, a whisper in the wind. The map is blank before
Now we're still waiting.
where do I begin? No fear of what's uncertain. The unknown feels like home. With every step I'm finding a place I've never known. Let's go where no one has ever been. A world unseen beneath our skin. Through endless skies, we'll break the chain. Uncharted lands will claim them all. Rise like tides and let it fall. Just endless sea. Come drift with me. Come drift with me.
Okay, guys. I think that will be it for today's stream. I'll try to stream the next last 2 macros of the day. I'll be going to the gym now, this macro, or maybe I'll make some food because I haven't eaten all day. I ate all day, so yeah. It was a great session. No trades once more on stream. We're avoiding all of the unnecessary losses here. But thank you so much, you guys, for being here today. Sharky, Macro Trader, Tamu, No Man, thank you so much, you guys. Hope you have a wonderful weekend. We will come back next week on Monday, or I'll try to come back later this PM session. But thank you so much, you guys, for being here today. See you later.